Namaskar, hello everyone. My name is Pooja from Pooja by Jayashree. Quickly requesting all of you to go live for our Cotton Carnival for today. Requesting all of you to quickly come on screen and talk to me while I show some beautiful weaves of Assam in pure cotton, and we have many more weaves. Hello Ratna ma'am, thank you so much for joining. So glad to have you. Hi Sujata ma'am, thank you for joining. Hello Reshmi ma'am, thank you for joining. Meghna ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Quickly requesting all the others to join. I pinned my number. Our number is 7595959055. That's our number. And today we'll be showcasing many pure cotton sarees, hand woven sarees from Assam. And we have Puan sarees also from Mizoram. We have Naga sarees also from Nagaland. So quickly requesting all of you to join so that we can start the live. In the meantime, let me tag a few people. Requesting all of you to go for join so that we can start the live. Hello Navya ma'am. Hi Sonam ma'am. Thank you so much for joining. और अगर आप हमें पहली बार देख रहे हैं, if you're watching us for the first time, do let us know where you are watching us from so that we can learn more about your city, town, and more about the place. Good evening, Navya. Thank you so much for joining. All right, requesting all of you to tag your family and friends so that they can start we can start the live. They can see us too, and they can grab some super duper weaves today. इतनी गर्मी है, इसी के लिए today I have worn a pure cotton mekhela sador. It's a pure cotton, bright yellow mekhela sador, not something that I wear on a regular basis, not a color of my that I can call my favorite, but yes, it's very bright. Hi Amruta ma'am, thank you so much for joining. It is bright yellow with greenish grey color ka work. Hi Renu ma'am, thank you for joining. मैं ना ऐसा करती हूँ, पहले इसी साड़ी से शुरू करती हूँ. What do you think? ये अगर किसी को पसंद आया, they want it in साड़ी form, then I have it with me. This is the blouse piece. ये रहा ब्लाउज पीस. ग्रे कलर का काम है इसपे. येलो एकदम ब्राइट गोल्डन येलो, सनी येलो, जो भी आप बोल लीजिए वो है. एंड उसमें ग्रे कलर के साथ, ग्रे कलर थ्रेड के साथ काम है. हेलो प्रिया मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. दिस इज योर पल्लू. बहुत ही सुंदर पल्लू है. ये रहा पल्लू का काम. दिस इज योर बॉर्डर विद ग्रे थ्रेड, beautifully hand woven with these motifs in the body. ब्लाउज पीस रहा ये. टेसल्स बन चुके हैं, बॉर्डर्स लग चुके हैं. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस. अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पीस इंडीड. अगर मेरे को फॉल पिको करके देना है then the price would be 4500. फ्री शिपिंग है ऑल ओवर भारत. एंड इफ विदाउट द फॉल एंड द पिको, no, this is the first one I'm showing. If without the fall and the pico, it is priced at 4400, free shipping all over Bharat. No. Hello Shravanti ma'am, thank you so much for joining. So this is the sari. Lo behold, I'm wearing the same mekhela sador. Okay, right. And there goes the first sari. Next is my favorite color. Hi Aparna Di, thank you so much for joining Aparna ma'am. the Verma boys. Okay, ma'am, I'm so sorry, I did not get your name. I mean, I don't know probably the profile name that you're using. So thank you for joining our live. Okay, so here we go. This is a super duper beautiful black. It's actually midnight blue. It's like this. Okay, with off-white and beige color thread work. Off-white and beige color thread work. This is the work. It's somewhere between blue and Sujata ma'am, this is for 4,400 without fall and pico. If I have to do the fall and pico, then it will be priced at 4,500. Free shipping all over Bharat. This is your blouse piece. Okay, mummy says it's black. No, I have only one mekhla sador that I am currently wearing. This is the very, very beautiful beige color and off-white color ke buta. Hello Pooja ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is the border. So today I have a plethora of colors in cotton, pure cotton, super duper beautiful sarees. This is the second saree in black. This is not blue, this is black. And it's for 4400. Quickly take a screenshot and just send it to me on 7595959055. We're taking bookings on live. Hi Mithila ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is a gorgeous grey. Again, one of my favorites. I just cannot resist grey, black and white. White being my most favorite. No, ma'am. We're not making mekhla sadors anymore because mekhla sador they don't want to make because they are priced. It's too much of mehnat. There are two pallus and then you have to weave everything separately. So they cannot make it. Sari is kya hai? It's easier because you weave it at once. So they do not like to make it. So we have done away with the mekhla sador in this range. This is a different loom, and in this in these designs you will not get a mekhla sador. If you want, I can still think about it, but yeah, the others though not possible. This is the pallu in hot pink and green, parrot green, very very beautiful pallu. This is your border in hot pink and blue, and the entire body has parrot green, hot pink and blue color thread. Okay, these butas. It's a very very beautiful, very very beautiful sari in grey. This is your blouse piece. 4400 if I don't do the fall and pico. Quickly send me a screenshot. Grey mein I think today one piece only we have. Atai pieces. Only one piece I have, so please be very very quick. Okay, no love, likes, nothing at all. Am I that boring? Okay, this is one of my best sellers. I think I have two pieces of this. Not sure. This is a very bright and beautiful yellow with off-white and beige. आज तो फिर भी बहुत सारे yellows हैं. You can take a screenshot and wait for the dhamal yellows. Other yellows. I like this one the best. This is the pallu in off-white and beige color. It would ready to asane ki suggestion laga. Okay, so this is the border, and the body ka butas are like this in beige and off-white. This is again a bright yellow. It's a golden yellow. आपके स्क्रीन में कैसा आ रहा है पता नहीं, बट इट्स अ ब्राइट येलो. इसमें तो और भी डल रहा है. This is the yellow that we're talking about here. It's a very, very beautiful piece. This is your blouse piece. 4400 for this amazingly gorgeous yellow. Quickly, just send us a screenshot. This is a golden yellow, a sunshine yellow. This is not a lemon yellow. Hello, Natasha ma'am. Thank you so much for joining. One for the blues, to drive away your Monday blues. This is a very, very beautiful weave again. Blue with beige and yellow, bright yellow. This is in Bodo Aranai pattern. This is the border. And this is your pallu. This is your aanchal. This is your pallu. In beige and yellow. Bright yellow mein hai. This is your blouse piece, and this is a lovely piece. 4400, free shipping hai all over Bharat. Quickly, just need to send me a screenshot. This is a beautiful one. Hi Sudakshana ma'am, thank you so much for joining. All right, one in green, dark military green, dark olive green. Ase no? Very good today. We'll get ready. So the yellow is sold. One yellow is sold. Right. This is the next one. This is a dark olive green. This is not a black. This is not a blue. This is a dark olive green. डार्क मिलिट्री ग्रीन विद बेज कलर. इसका बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड आया था लास्ट टाइम, बट आई कुडंट मेक दिस बिकॉज ये वेफ्ट का धागा नहीं मिल रहा था मेरे को. दिस इज द पल्लू. हेलो अदिति मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. दिस इज योर बॉर्डर एंड पूरा का पूरा बॉडी में बेज कलर के साथ ये वाले मोटिव्स किए गए हैं. वेरी वेरी प्रिटी साड़ी. ब्लाउज पीस दिखाना है, ब्लाउज पीस दिखा देते हो. हाय मम्मी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. हाय कोनिका, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. हेलो आरती मैम, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस. डार्क ग्रीन, डार्क मिलिट्री ग्रीन विथ बेज. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट क्लासियस्ट साड़ीज. आप इसको गवर्नमेंट मीटिंग्स में पहनिए, आप इसको ओकेजन्स में पहनिए, आप इसको कोई भी इम्पोर्टेंट जहां आपको इफ यू हैव टू मेक अ स्टेटमेंट, you can just wear this saree. This is the ultimate. It looks classy, it looks sophisticated. The color and the weave, it's not like too much on your face types. इसमें अगर pink, yellow ये सब डाल दोगे तो ये बर्बाद हो जाएगा साड़ी. Okay, so this is the very very beautiful green with a beige, with only beige weaving. Hello Pinky ma'am, thank you so much for joining. 4400 plus free shipping. Sorry, 4400 free shipping all over Bharat. Okay, one for the pink lovers. Just give me one moment. Yeah, it's a very beautiful one. This is the next one. Beautiful hot pink with yellow and off-white. Hi Meghnaka, hi Reenu ma'am, thank you so much for joining our live. This is off-white and bright yellow. This is the color. It's a dual tone. No, I do not have a mekhela sador at all. The only mekhela sador I have right now is this yellow one, of which I have shown a sari. I have 2 pieces of the sari and 1 piece of the mekhela sador. This is the border and one line of the border and the blouse piece. ये exact color है. And these are the borders जो आपको हम लगा के देंगे. आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Tassels and borders हम करके देंगे. Fall pico अगर आपको करवाना है तो it will be priced at 4400 plus 100 rupees, which will be 4500. This is the sari. Just send me a screenshot and take this gorgeous sari home. Another one is this very beautiful synthol green. You can message me. I'll tell you. Swapna ma'am. Yes, it is. This is the very beautiful pallu of this dual tone. This is not a parrot green as such. This is yellow what mein parrot green. So it becomes lime green. Hello Arundhati ma'am. Thank you so much for joining. So this is your very, very classy, again, a very summer, cool, pleasant shade. And this is the beautiful pallu. I've shown one in yellow. I think that is sold. And this is a very beautiful pallu. With the Bisoni motifs, with the Morphe motifs and very intricately done fillers. This is your border. This is your blouse piece. Can you see the dual tone? So that's your dual toned, very, very pretty sari. I have again 2 pieces of this. Yeah, I have 2 pieces of this. 4400 without fallen pico. Free shipping all over Bharat. Black, black, black again. This is clearly my favorite. It's there on our Instagram highlight stories also. My mom is wearing it. Mummy is wearing it. Very, very beautiful. She looks not like me. She's not clumsy and clumsy looking like me. She looks very pretty whenever she wears downs a sari. Okay, so here it goes. This is in hot pink and peacock blue. Hot pink and surf blue ka kaam hai. This is surf blue. This is hot pink. This is your border. And this is the pallu. That is your blouse piece. Black mein, very beautifully done with contrast, ekdam striking contrast colors of hot pink and peacock blue, surf blue. 4400 without the fallen pico. Right. This is my favorite, wine color, chocolate brown. This is another favorite of mine with off-white and beige. Look at this beauty. आज तो धमाल कर दिया है, धमाल कर दिया है. फटाफट बुकिंग कीजिए, नहीं तो वरना चला जाएगा. Then you will tell me that I have been unfair. This is the pallu. This is your blouse piece and this is the body ka buta. This is the actual color. It's a brown toned, wine toned brown, but chocolate brown है. Chocolate brown के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता है. This combination is simply superb. Hello Chatterjee ma'am, thank you so much for joining. I have one more of this. Thank you. I feel very happy. So I have one piece of this in case you want to take it without the border. This is your blouse piece, plain with one line of the border. This is your pallu. So personally, I like the wine color, the browns and the dark colors without the borders. Personally, that's my personal choice. कौन सी पर्पल में सिल्क साड़ी होगी गायत्री? कौन सा पर्पल? This. Hello Naval ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is the, hi Ishita Di, thank you for joining. This is purple, this is chocolate brown. Akka, this is chocolate brown. So this is the sari. These are your borders जो आपको मैं लगा के दूंगी. You don't have to do anything. Hi Ishita Di. No, that is also chocolate brown. Same color. Wine shade chocolate brown. Wine tinted. Okay, and this is the very very beautiful प्योर कॉटन साड़ी. ये लेकिन आपको सिल्क में भी मिल जाएगा. यू कैन हैव इट इन सिल्क ऑल्सो. दिस ब्राउन not many. These are the borders. 4400 tassels and borders. I will do and give. Okay. One I showed with blue and yellow. This one is with blue and orange. Very striking combination, very very pretty. ये मेरे को बहुत पसंद है personally. I really like this combination. Okay, blue and orange and beige in the beige and orange in the pallu. This is bright orange. This is very very bright orange. This is the border, our nice style border. And this is your, this very pretty buttas in orange and beige. Very very beautiful. Hi Gauri ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is the beautiful saree. Just देखिए, इसमें तो love and likes बनते ही हैं. Thank you so much. This is the blouse piece. ये blouse piece है. इसका मेरे पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक पीस है. So whoever gets it will be lucky because this is an awesomely gorgeous saree. If you ask me to choose one pretty saree amongst the ones that I have shown, probably this one, the pink one that I had shown without the border, that is beautiful, beautiful. And the wine brown mixed shade that I showed before this. है ना, blue and orange with beige looks very very gorgeous. It's a very nice combination, blue with orange and beige. Okay, 4400 without the fallen pico. Quickly just send me a screenshot and the saree is yours. This has again been, yeah, motive size is also big. This has again come after very 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 long now. And this has been one of our best selling combinations. Color combination भी है and plus इसका जो काम है ये लोगों को बहुत पसंद आता है. Dark blue, navy blue with beige and off white. ये बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद किया. क्यों प्यार पैसो कोई देसन, ये बहुत ही ज्यादा लोगों को पसंद आता है. I also personally, if you ask me, I also love this combination and the sari ka weaving also. This is the border. This is, yes, this is very elegant. This is the off-white and beige. And this is your with hand fan. Yeah, Bisoni motifs, which is made up of, handmade with palm leaves. And this is the very beautiful pallu. क्यों भी आप ऐसो message me Konika. Okay, so this is a very very pretty blue color for blue lovers. Just aankh moon ke pick this one. If you want something in blue, then this should be your pick. This will be your best choice if you want to pick something in blue. This is your blouse piece and this is your sari. This is a very very beautiful sari. 4400. Okay, I have already shown this color, sea green, light green, dual tone. with yellow. I have already shown this. I have 2 pieces. So one of you can, 2 of you can pick. Just send me the screenshot on our number 7595959055. Okay. Another green. Etu green dekhaiso niki sasun baba? Enuka green eta ase. Etu noho. Dekhaiso. This, the previous green that I showed was with beige color. This green, this green is with off-white and beige, with traditional tribal Bisoni motifs, hand fan motifs, and these very intricate weave. This is the border. This is the pallu, the anchal. This is your blouse piece. And the body looks something like this. With beige and off-white, this is an absolutely gorgeous saree. This is the color. Green, matlab dark military green. Very pretty. For summers, these are your best bets. Also, because most of us do not know the washing techniques at home, these sarees, especially the dark colored ones, should be dry cleaned. Just letting you know. Okay, for that I have 2 pieces. I have 2 pieces of this beautiful dark military green. So 2 of you would get this, and I have 1 piece of this one, which is the color, the base color is the same. Only this has got beige color, only beige. This is the pallu is different here, and this is like this with off-white and beige, and this is only in single color weaving, beige color weaving. Both are for 4400. Free shipping all over Bharat. For if I have to do the fallen pico, it's 4500. Quickly, I am not seeing the phone now, but I will get back to you as soon as the live is over. So quickly make your bookings. It's on 7595959055 that you'll have to message us. This is in mint green, super duper beautiful, pleasant, eye soothing color with a striking combination of pink, beige and yellow, hot pink, brown, beige color and yellow color, bright yellow color. This is how the pallu looks, and it is as seen on your screen, but little brighter than what is seen on my screen at least. So the color is somewhat so it's brighter than so this is the very beautiful mint green color. This is the blouse piece. बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है, summers के लिए apt है. You wear the right blouse, pair it up with a hot pink, and pair it up with the right kind of accessories, and you're good to go. I don't wear accessories, as you can see, but I only buy. So it's called obsessive compulsive spending disorder. So this is the sari 4400, free shipping all over Bharat without the fallen pico. One is this. I have only 1 piece. Statutory warning, de rahi hu. I have only 1 piece. Fastest fingers first. This is a very gorgeous sari for people who like bright colors. Very मतलब very नहीं, very. अगर आपको ब्राइट कलर पसंद है तो ये बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है. दिस इज अ हॉट पिंक. इसका पल्लू का सबसे अच्छा है इसका पल्लू. दिस इज इन पर्पल, येलो, ब्राइट येलो एंड बेज. ओके, दिस इज योर बॉर्डर. दिस इज नॉट रेड बट दिस पिंक. ओके, दैट्स योर ब्लाउज पीस. This is your blouse piece. All right, and this is your pallu. I love the pallu. सिर्फ कलर्स देखने से क्या होगा, पल्लू का वीविंग देखिए. This is a design we use in our part Mekhla Sador and sarees. This pattern, it's a double aanchal. एक ये pattern है, then this is the pattern with the demarcation अलग weaving pattern, then again this is the pattern. Okay, and the sari is very bright, very vibrant, very beautiful. It is not red, it is a pink sari. It's a pink sari, very very pretty one. Trust me, and just grab this at 4400. Fall and Pico. If I do, then it will be 4500. Very very pretty sarees. One for the yellow again. I had promised that I'm showing quite a few yellows today, so you can't complain. And these sort of sarees, you can simply pair it up with any blouse you want to. Any blouse you want to. Hi Nupur ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is the pallu. Beige and off-white, beautiful pallu. This is your border, Boro Arnai style of border, not exactly Boro Arnai, only the pattern is this. Okay, and this is your blouse piece. Tassels and borders have been done. This is not the color, this is the color. It's a very bright golden yellow, very very bright. Okay, flowers all over for 4400. এখন साइलेंट प्लस राइट. ये मैंने पहले भी दिखाया है आई थिंक. दिस इज डार्क 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 मिडनाइट ब्लू और ब्लैक. दिस ब्लू, डार्क ब्लू विद ओनली बेज. जैसे मैंने ग्रीन दिखाया था, डार्क मिलिट्री ग्रीन. दिस इज डार्क ब्लू, मिडनाइट ब्लू with this style of weaving in beige color thread. This is the border. This is your blouse piece. Tassels and borders हमने लगा दिए हैं. This साड़ी में ना border adds a lot to the saree's beauty. So this is the saree. This is not black. This is dark blue, as you can see very clearly on my screen, so I can see. This is for 4400. Free shipping all over Bharat. Quickly send us a screenshot and on our number 7595959055. Time for another yellow. This is a Boro Aronai. I have two colors in Boro Aronai style weaving. One in this yellow, one in this beautiful red. Just give me one quick moment, please. আপনি লই বললে জলদি করো মই কলোই দেখোন আপনার আমার ফার্মাসির পৰা লৈ ল'ব ক'ব যে পূজাই পঠি আছে আচ্ছা আচ্ছা বস্তুটো লৈ গ'ল ন ফাৰ্মাসিৰ পৰা লৈ গ'ল পেকেটটো ঠিক আছে ওকে sorry running errands is a big thing, right, for us women, all women. Okay, so this is the Boro Aranai style of weaving with only one design of, look at how intricate this weave is in the pallu. Okay, this is the pallu, this is the border, and the whole body has this beautiful weaving in beige color. Okay, so this is the sari, very bright and beautiful yellow with only and only with these sarees. The best part is I can pair it up with a green blouse, I can pair it up with a yellow blouse, I can pair it up with a blue blouse. So versatility is there. आप मरून ब्लाउज के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, पर्पल ब्लाउज के साथ, ब्राइट पर्पल ब्लाउज के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. सो यू कैन पेयर इट अप अकॉर्डिंगली. हॉट पिंक के साथ अच्छा लगेगा, फिरोजी ब्लू के साथ अच्छा लगेगा. सो अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस देयर सो दैट यू कैन प्ले आउट विद योर एक्सेसरीज आल्सो, राइट. 4400 without the following pico. With the following pico it will be charged at 4500. All right, that is that. Econo cycle is up. And this is the same design. सिर्फ border अलग है. This is the proper Arunai border. This is the grey blouse will look superb. And this is the sari. उसका और इसका, this is the difference. This is this border, this blouse. Plain with one line of the border, and this is the pallu. Pallu is the same. This is also an Arunai weave. The buttas in the body are the same. This is the color is as seen on my screen right now. It's a maroonish red, or rather, it's a very nice. We call it apple red. I call it apple red. We to nahi. So this is also priced at 4400. Quickly just send me the screenshot. Okay, the very beautiful sari. I have 2 pieces of this. Last time एकदम धमाल मचा दिया था. I got some 8 screenshots of this sari. So now I have 2 pieces. I've got it made on an urgent basis. 2 pieces of this lovely pink beauty. Quickly just share the screenshot with us on 7595959055. This is the very beautiful pallu. This is the border. This is the border. 20. This is the body ka flower buttas following the white rabbit 35. Okay. Hello ma'am, thank you so much for joining our live. I don't know your name, so welcome. And in comments you can also write our name so that we know each other better. My name is Pooja. This is the very beautiful blouse piece. ये लास्ट टाइम ओहो ये साड़ी दिखाया तो मासी आ गई सडनली. ये आपकी वाली नहीं है लेकिन नया बनवाया है. ओके, सो दिस इज अ वेरी प्रिटी पिंक. प्लीज टेल मी द नेम ऑफ दिस पिंक. आई शैल बी ग्रेटफुल, बट आई डू नॉट नो. दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफul pink, and last time Amita Masi was lucky enough that she grabbed it. I had received 8 screenshots. I could give it to only one person, and that is her. But very glad that I could. This is the pallu. Okay, so this is for strawberry milk. Yes, rose milk shade na. Correct. Strawberry milk shade. Okay. Rose milk is lighter than this. Candy floss pink. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, so candy floss pink, strawberry milk pink, rose milk pink. जो भी पिंक है, for me it is lotus pink. Hi Arpita ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is a very beautiful one. I have somehow made 2 pieces. Please kindly give me a screenshot now before this is gone. No, yours is kept inside. Once booked, it is booked. Once booked, I will never ever go back on my word. ओनली थिंग इज इफ कुछ मिसअप हो जाता है वीविंग के टाइम एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, टेलरिंग के टाइम, तब अलग बात है. आई विल टेल यू फ्रैंकली अबाउट इट, बट अदरवाइज आपका वाला नहीं दिखाऊंगी. मेरे को मार थोड़ी खाना है आपसे. Okay, so this is a very beautiful saree. I have 2 pieces of this, 4400 without the fall and pico. Quickly make your bookings on 7595959055. एक है ये रेड, ये एकदम ढंटन एंड रेड है. रेड के मेरे पास ढेर सारे पीसेस हैं. बाय द वे आई हैव 3 pieces. This is piece number 1. This is how it looks. It's a lovely red. Screen पे थोड़ा सा bright आता है because of my camera settings. This is very pretty. Okay, the pallu is in off-white and beige. Very very pretty. This is the border. Border देख लीजिए. This is the blouse piece. And this is the body का booty, flower bootas, red and white and off-white and beige. Okay, so this is your beautiful saree, 4,400 without the fall and pico. Quickly, just send me the screenshot. Another red I will show is this. Hi Tina, thank you so much for joining, teens. Tina is my super duper rocking ex-manager from my Bangalore days. She's seen me grow up from a girl to a woman, actually. In mentally, in terms of work and professionally, she's actually helped me in the process. Tolerated all my tantrums that as a 19-year-old, 20-year-old, I threw all the tantrums at office and everything. She has tolerated, seen it all. Tolerated, put up with it. Thank you. Hi, hello. This is the machine tribal weave, Mishing. It's a tribe of Assam, and with off-white and beige. This is the sari. This is. Hi, Ipshita ma'am. Thank you so much for joining. These are the borders. No, it is the truth. You have put up with it like no one else. And this is the blouse piece. 4,400 free shipping all over Bharat. You have put up with it like no one else. So I owe a lot to you. I owe my confidence to you actually. You'll be like, why you can't do it? You can definitely do it. Come on. So that helps a person who's just moving from teenage to adulthood, right? Hello Shobha ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is your this is a very nice green. I don't know the name of this green, but it's very very pretty. So I had 2 pieces last time also. 1 piece is gone, 1 piece is there. With purple and parrot green ka kaam. This is your border. This is your blouse piece, 4400 and free shipping all over Bharat. I have shown the border, I have shown the blouse piece to you. This is the body, the exact color as it is, it looks to you. मैं इसको mint green भी नहीं कह सकती. I exactly don't know what. No, it's blue, but it's green, but it's a very nice color as seen on your screen. Yeah, it's not blue. It's kind of dark mint green. This is your blouse piece. This is the flower butta in the body, purple and green. This is 4400. It can be dispatched tomorrow if you don't want the fall and pico. All the sarees where the border and the tassels are stitched can be dispatched tomorrow. Okay. Do you want to see the 2 exclusive pieces in pure cotton? Exclusive matlab new designs, new colors. If you do, this is number 1 white and this is number 2 pink. Okay. One Tasar by Tasar silk sari. Very, very pretty. Price is also good. Okay. This goes out to Swapna ma'am. This is white with green and yellow and blue. This is the border. This is the pallu. Blue, yellow, green. Two blues, royal blue, surf blue. Then there is this green and yellow. No, this is not a Bodo Arunai. This is a Bodo style of weaving, but not Bodo Arunai, nor it is Bodo Dokona. But the weave is tribal weave. Okay, so this is in royal blue, mehndi green sort of green, leaf green also maybe, royal blue, surf blue, green and yellow, bright yellow. And this is very, very pretty again, 4400, free shipping all over Bharat. If I have to do the fall and pico, you know the clause, it's for 4500. This is the blouse piece. It is up first. Light color, no? The last one in today's cotton is this beautiful, beautiful pink. Very, very pretty pink. Amoda. Security video, because security video. Sorry. Okay, so this is your very, very pretty pink with a Bodo Arunai border in royal blue and hot pink. This is the super duper gorgeous pallu, surf blue, pink, yellow, royal blue. This is a very, very, very gorgeous, very intricate, very, very gorgeous, stylish pallu and sari. This pink is a different pink. That pink, any pink to Desmond Baba? Funsun? Hey, pink to Desmond. This is a different pink. ये एक अलग पिंक है, ये एक बहुत अलग पिंक है. These are two different pinks. Okay, very, very pretty in their own way. And the whole body has surf blue, magenta, royal blue and yellow के work ऐसा. This saree is gorgeous. This saree is super duper beautiful. 4500 with the fallen pico. Quickly send us a screenshot. बाद में एक ही पीस है मेरे पास. बाद में चला गया तो आप लोग से मैं डांट नहीं खाऊंगी. Okay, so it's a Monday. I have promised that I will take your time. So I am showing the last. I'll not take up much of your time, but I will definitely take your time. So it should be worth it, right? So this is a very, very beautiful golden Assam Tasar silk toss by toss, both warp and weft. This is your blouse piece. देख लीजिए, this is the blouse piece. This is your pallu. This lovely with gauze butta and the lokoparo. This is Eri silk, Ahimsa silk yarn. Hi Reena ma'am, thank you so much for joining. And this is Muga Ghichaka yarn. You can see it is darker. It is darker. Hamoda my live kori aso mo mark phone kori diok na. Pisot phone kori mo live kori aso. This is. Just give me one quick moment. Amit koya. Amit phone kori. Undo. মনত থাকিবনে দিলে বুলি কৈ দে sorry. So this is the Tasar silk sari, Assam toss by toss. I was showing you the pallu. This whole designing is done with Ahimsa silk and Eri silk yarn. Eri silk yarn, this is the Eri silk yarn ka natural color. This is with Muga Ghicha. This is with Muga Ghicha yarn. So this is the very, very beautiful. एंड बॉर्डर में भी पूरा का पूरा घिचा से ऐसा काम किया गया है, देख लीजिए. लोकोपारो विद द गॉस बूटा, वेरी वेरी ट्रेडिशनल. बॉडी में अगर हम आते हैं, दिस इज अ वेरी म्यूटेड अंडरस्टेटेड साड़ी विच इज वेरी सोफिस्टिकेटेड, एक्सट्रीमली सोफिस्टिकेटेड. दिस मुगा घिचा यार्न. आपको अनइवननेस इन कलर दिखेगा, एक ही मोटिव में यू कैन सी इट्स गॉट डिफरेंट शेड्स. And this is the Ahimsa silk ka yarn. And this is a very Assamese, very traditional sari. This is for 16,500, 16500. Free shipping all over Bharat है. आज सारी free shipping all over भारत में दिए हैं हमने. Free shipping में है. This is your pallu. Quickly send us a screenshot. Take this home. This can be paid in 2 installments. This can be paid in 2 installments. फटाफट बस आपको स्क्रीनशॉट देना है. This is toss, yes. शुरू हो गया. This is my first. After this, we'll make only hopefully, if Ma Kamakha wants, then we will make only fixed borders, as in only woven borders, woven border tassars. This is the one. Hello Deepti ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is the very very beautiful sari, Tasar by Tasar silk. Very very pretty, and for 16,500, payable in 2 shots, payable in 2 installments. So this was my showstopper for today. Again, I am showing the mekhla sador that I am wearing rather. This is your mekhla sador that I am wearing in a very bright yellow with grey color weaving. As always, my blouse is mismatched. It's not a matching blouse. The sador is very very lamba, so I am wearing it like this. In case you want, you can take a screenshot of me and send it to me at 7595959055. Here's Pooja signing off for tonight. Most probably, I will come up with mekhla sador tomorrow. Gorgeous Kesa part silk mekhla sadors, of course. Yes, silk mekhla sadors. Hello Ambika ma'am, thank you for joining. I'm just wrapping up. Here's my closing speech. Closing vote of thanks for all of you, to all of you. You have a great week ahead. In case you like anything, I really hope you like today's collection. And in case you like anything, then give me a screenshot at 7595959055. And yes, this mekhla sador is for 4,000 rupees. 4,000. The blouse piece is intact. You can get in touch with me if you want to purchase it. Alright then. Thank you. Shubhratri. आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभार. Oham Baki Rise. Daiduk Nodoribo. More Jiman friends and sisters ase Instagram ত তেওঁলোকে অসমীয়া বুজি নাপায় যেহেতু আমি খালি হেৰি কৰো আৰু আমাৰ বাহিৰৰ মানুহ বেছি আছে সেইকাৰণে মই এই লাইভটো অসমীয়াত নকৰি হিন্দী আৰু ইংলিছত কৰিলো. Thank you so much once again. Shubhratri. बहुत बहुत आभार, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Here's Pooja signing off from the entire team, on behalf of the entire team of Pooja by Jayashree. Wishing you a great, fabulous week ahead. Goodbye.